Now, one thing that sets apart BIMS from other motor shows is that they actually give some prominence to used cars. And so welcome to the used car show at the Bangkok Motor Show 2023. So yes, these are all used cars brought in by dealers, pre-approved. Some of them still even have their seats wrapped, but yeah, all used and for sale. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Check out this Mustang. This is nice. So yes, these are all used cars for sale, including this, which is very, very surprising. This is used. Somebody bought it and I don't want. Don't know lah, but yeah, it's a used car for 5,399,000 baht. Okay, it says new. Sorry, this is not used. But most of these are used. Check out over here. Look at that. Whole bunches of used cars. There's a nice Audi there. So another nice BM. And a big Mini. It's a contradiction in terms right there. It's a big Mini Club, man. Premium used car. Oh, I see a Bentley. A beautiful Bentley called AGA. Lovely. So welcome to the used car show of BIMS 2023. Just spotted my favorite Mercedes and my favorite Porsche. Check out the Targa, folks. Beautiful Porsche 911 Targa. I love it. And the G-Wagon. Favorite Mercedes SUV. So nice. Sexy. Have you seen a Targa roof being dropped? Oh, it's just brilliant. Don't want to know how much it would cost to fix if it was not working, but when it's working, it's a thing of beauty. Work of art. Art in motion. So this is on the outside of the Bangkok Motor Show, not in the hall itself, but right adjacent to the hall. And these are the names of a whole bunch of used car dealers. Bravo Auto, Millennium Auto, Master Certified Used Car, Karsam, which is available in Malaysia as well. TPM. Nice. And of course, Krung Sri Auto, they will set up a booth for you to insure your car or get financing straight away. You want, you buy, you sign the deal, you get insurance and loans over there. So cool. So quite a popular section of the Bangkok Motor Show. See that? Ooh, a Jeep Rubicon. Ooh. Ah, there's the food court. I was wondering what happened to it, but there it is. All the local food. All the locals go and eat there. Awesome. So this is under Karsam. I'm sure it's affiliated to the Karsam in Malaysia as well. Right, time for some food, I think. Real good Thai food for the locals there. That's where I normally eat. Right, okay. Talk to you all soon. One thing I wanted to show you is this is one of the most popular MGs. I see so many of these running around actually. Very nice little super mini made by, MG under the ownership of SAIC. It's the MG3 iSmart. Many of these running around. Nice little cars. I wonder if the door's open. I don't think so, but yeah, it's locked. Lovely. So that's it from the BIMS used car show. Huge area spanning the entire length of the main hall, Challenger halls 1 through 3. On the outside, a little bit warm, but nonetheless fun. Nice area, and that's what I mean about the main halls over there. And yeah, so do drop by the used car show. It's pretty cool. Nice. I think it continues down there as well, but it's super hot, so I'm not really dressed for it. Thanks for watching. Bye.